Alright, so a lot is happening in my life. I got a promotion this week from an assistant manager to a store manager, so it's going to be more responsibility and more things to do in a new setting. And it is snowing out, and this is currently the view from my living room. I don't know if it just all looks white, but it's just been like snowing like all day. Luckily my boss let me stay home. So this is like the back door view of everything. It's like still snowing. It's just like covered in snow right now. Alright, this is like all the icicles happening right here. This is like my car. And this is like just all the snow right here. Like, this is like my feet. It is just covering my feet right now. It's hard to like really do much. And there is all the ice coming down, making like little ice plants and stuff. But as far as everything, like Michigan gets crazy weather. Like it can be like snowing like one day and then it like all melts like the next day, and it can be like you know, you feel like nothing ever happened pretty much. So as far as like Michigan weather, like one day it can be like crazy snowing, and then like the next day it's like everything melts and you feel like nothing ever happened pretty much, or it's like sunny or raining, or like the weather is like really volatile. And as far as like, this is like one change. Luckily, like my boss let me have today off, but like I haven't like made a video in like 2 weeks, but I had like a second root canal done. I've been on antibiotics. I've been dealing with stress. I've been like working out to kind of manage the stress, and it's like, it's crazy because it's like sometimes leaving me stressed because like I'm putting stress on myself to do a bunch of stuff. But I think in life you have to like work on like a balance, and I am still a little bit unbalanced. I've been spending a little bit more than I should have, but I know that I can kind of get balanced again. It's just a matter of getting to that point. And there's this really gorgeous place actually that it's like you drive through on this road area and you can see like the lake like open. And it's like, sometimes it's nice and summery, and then sometimes it's like, you know, all frosted and wintry, but it's kind of fun. Like I'm in a kind of water lake area, so it's always nice. It's nicer to be on the lake, but I'm not on a lake. I'm just near it. And this is like on my dress right now. This is like a really nice, feels very soft. It's like an orange thingy. I think it's like a headband, but it's like, I'm using it for, I was using it for a neck thing, and I'm still wearing like a punk shirt pretty much. But this is like winter in Michigan pretty much. They were doing like electrical work over here, so there's like flags, but it's like it's scary sometimes when you get stuck. It's like, you know, you just wonder, like, is someone gonna come get me? If I call somebody, are they gonna be able to come out? It's gonna be scary. So if you don't live in like a wintry place, this is like my car. If you live in a wintry place, it's like you definitely like want to be safe. Yeah, so I've definitely not been out today. Just like the snow has been piling up like really nicely in my car. This is like my boyfriend's grill right here. This is a little back way right here where all the snow is kind of piled up. Little like star thingy that I had. And I'm a Leo, so I had that there. But the snow has just been like coming down. So it's still snowing outside. That is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can still see it still snowing, but it's still piling up. It's just snowing away right now.